By midwinter, several hundred Alaskan bald eagles have gathered on the Chilkat River. They're here because it is the only source of food for miles around. This river holds the last of the year's spawning salmon. Battles amongst adult eagles establish who holds the power, and here, power means who gets food and who doesn't. So, what can a low-ranking, powerless juvenile do if she isn't going to starve? She must grab any opportunity that presents itself before adults stake their claim.
She tries to sneak in, unnoticed by the adults.
He's been spotted.
The juvenile has done all the hard work, but her success is short-lived. She can't afford to give up just yet. The youngster may not be strong enough to fight for her fish, but other adults will.
The adults' power games might just help her.
Now is her chance. The squabble rapidly escalates into a full-blown fight.
This isn't about the fish anymore. This is about one adult enforcing dominance over another. The reclaimed fish is enough to keep the juvenile alive for at least a few more days. But there's a long, hard winter ahead.